my name is Bassel Mohammed. Today I will show you the inventions that made our life easier. The refrigerator. The electrical refrigerator replaced the ice box as a way to keep food fresher longer. The refrigerator increased the efficiency of the ice box while ending the problem of melting ice in the kitchen. Like in the past, with the ice box we can't make the food fresh long, and not like we can if we put the ice it will melt quickly, but now it will not melt. We have the refrigerator and we can make the food fresh long. The microwave. The microwave ovens are so quickly and efficient because they channel heat energy directly to the molecules inside the food. Microwave heat food like the sun heats your face by radiation. A microwave is much like the electromagnetic waves that zap through the air from TV and radio transmitters. Like if you want to eat something but it's cold, you will put it in the microwave and it will melt quickly. Not better than you leave it like an hour or 2 hours. It finished quickly. Thank you so much.